Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the back office access for your apps. Quick overview. So when you log in, this is the dashboard that you will see. When you click on the word dashboard, you'll see a snapshot of some reports here. You can toggle between years, you can toggle between months, all that kind of stuff can be done right here as well on the dashboard. And depending what type of app you've got, your left-handed navigation panel will be bigger or smaller than this. But we'll just take a look at one of the apps that we've got live so you can get an understanding of what goes on. So the first thing on the left-hand side is the Customers tab. When you click that, it drops down and you've got a few more options there. The first option is the Manage Customer tab. This is where all of the customers, all of the people, users who have downloaded your app reside. You can click here, you can see how many people have downloaded your app right here. And then you're also able to click on the name of the person, as well as deactivate them or edit their information right here. You can also delete the customer here if you want. If you check the boxes here, you're able to do, when you go to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to select a bunch of people from the same thing from the same page and delete them as well, or deactivate them as well. So let's take a quick look at what you see inside of the customer profile. This is the full CRM of the customer. I'm going to pull up this one here. So we'll take a look at this person. When you click on their name, this screen pops up. What you can do is on the right hand side here, you can click the buttons here to see the details, show and hide. When you click that, you will open this up and it shows the first name, last name, email address, the location, phone number, address, all that other kind of stuff that's involved, that's in the CRM. So this is a fully functioning CRM, and this is where all the information is housed. You can edit it, you can change it, you can even change their email address right here by typing a new email address. Say someone's email changed, you could put a new email in here. All you've got to do is let them know they need to log out of the app and log back in with the new email address. You can also change their password right here. You can see the password and you can change it right here. Okay, I'm not going to save anything back here, so I'll just go back. What else can we do here? Quickly, let's go back to the same customer. Let's go to this one here. You're also able to see the transactions that have happened. So you've got invoices here. You can click that and you can see the invoices that have been this customer has transacted. You can add an invoice, so that gives them rewards if you're using the rewards program. You can redeem rewards here as well from this screen as well. I'm just giving you an overview. I'm not really going to dive deep into all the features because there are different tutorial videos on all the features, but you can see all the stuff that you can do in the back here. And if you're using the frequency counter, you can see the entry and exit times of your clients as well when they come into the vicinity of your business. The system tracks the entry and exit time and the duration that they're at the business. Now this it only works if the customer has location services on and allows the app access to their location. So that's the Manage Customers tab. In the customers list, you are able to tag your customers also to segment them in giving you the ability to segment your database when sending push notifications. So if I look at this person right here, when I look at their details, you'll see tags. There's a bunch of tags in this specific app. So if I were to tag this customer and save this tag in their profile, when I'm sending the push notification, I would be able to send the push notification to only people with this tag. And the tags are managed right over here. So you can see all the different tags that you've got. You can add a tag, just type in a word and hit submit. You can edit the tags, you can delete the tags right here. Let's just jump over customer reviews because we're not using this really. Image gallery, you're able to upload images. You can add one new image by clicking that button right at the top right there, where you choose an image from your computer, put a caption there and some details, or you can add multiple images right here. So I think you can add 10 at the same time, 10 at a time. Okay, you just choose your file, image caption and details there. The other thing you're able to do with images are manage tabs. So you're basically able to make different categories of images. So in this example, they've got a men's collection, a women's collection. You can just hit the add new button. When you do, this box pops up. You put the title in. You can put a little header image there, and then you'll see all the images that you have available to choose from. So in this case, it's men's collection. You'd be able to select, I want this picture, this picture, this picture to be added when someone opens up this image gallery. Okay. Website list. Quickly, you can take a look at. You're able to add any digital content that you have, any assets that you've got, your social media, your shop, blog, anything that you've got that's digital has a URL. You can add that here. Campaigns, this is really cool. Let's just jump to the automated stuff here. So we've got AutoPilot. What you need to look at here is your apps usually come with some dummy content here. So you can come in here and you can edit that content by hitting that blue button there. Change the messaging you want here. You can change the descriptions, the titles, all that kind of stuff. The reminder period too. So the AutoPilots basically are automated push notifications that go to your clients when two triggers have been met. The two triggers are: one, they come in, for example, they would come in today, make a purchase, and they're not back in 15 days. They would automatically get this push note. The other trigger is if they don't even open your app for 15 days, they will also get this push note. Okay, so those are the two triggers, and you can make as many of these as you want. You can change the date, period, all that kind of stuff can be done right here. Again, these are the autopilots. Similarly, we've got automatic emails, where you can set up emails to automatically go out to your customers. These are set it and forget it kind of programs. You set it up once, and the system takes over from there. So at the very least, I think a welcome mail would be something good to have. Anyone that downloads your app will receive this email. You're able to customize it. You're able to put little branding images there as well, and then maybe a little explanation of what your program does. We've got some other automatic emails as well. You can take a look at these, and you can also use these as you require. We've got a ticker tape here where you can add ticker messages that can either be at the top or the bottom of your home screen. So these are basically messages that just scroll across like ticker tape. Okay, you can also add keywords for Twitter that will pull information from your Twitter account right into your app. We've got geofencing notifications. We've got an SMS platform system here as well that you're able to send actual text messages to your clients. Push notifications, you're able to send push notes to all your clients right through the app. A reviews and ratings system here where you're able to have smart reviews done through the app as well. We've got an integrated email program that gives you the ability to send emails to your entire list. You can also import lists from a CSV file and send emails directly to your clientele. We have a chat system here where you can create chat support and have communications with your clients through a chat channel that's set up through the app as well. We've got an employee scheduler here that you can take a look at as well. You can choose and use a fully functioning online digital scheduler. Again, your employees only have access to this through their app. Your normal customers wouldn't. You've got a slew of different types of features. Again, depending on the type of app that you've got, there will be more or less items here. So again, just different features here. Going over clientele, booking system, a directory listing system that we call Yellow Pages, a ticketing system, gift cards, gift card settings, basically enabling you to change the colors and UI of the gift cards, appointment booking, shopping cart. All those are features in the app. Again, depending on what type of app you have, you may have more or less of these features. You've got a form builder. We've got something that we call product picker, where basically it's a sort of AI where you're able to guide your customer down a specific path. And you can ask questions, and based on the answers provided, ask different questions. And I can quickly give you a quick look at this, so you can see the way it looks here. Really cool feature. We've got an information tab where you're able to add information. For example, how to use the app. You're able to put content, anything you can think of that would be informational can be added to the app as well. We've got loyalty, tons of loyalty. We've got 9 different types of rewards programs. We've got action points, which are based on the actions of your clients. We've got a tiered-based system where this is a spend-based system where you can actually provide your clients rewards based on how much they spend on a transaction. Obviously, you can see in this example, there's several tiers here. This is done to provide your best customers the ability to earn at the highest reward levels. Okay, we've got a points-based system where you can actually award points to your customers based on the dollars that they spend. We've got a VIP rewards section here where you can actually, these two systems here are lifetime value of customers, so lifetime spend. This system is a year-to-date spend. So this is similar, provides discount groups to your customers based on the amount they spend over the course of a calendar year. This resets every January 1. We've got a referral program as well, where you can actually refer your clients. In this example, they're giving out $5 for each referral. How this works is basically you are able to put a refer a friend tab on the home screen of your app. your clients open the referral up, click that button, and their address book pops up, and they're able to refer clients, people from their network directly to your business. Now, the referral rewards are only activated when the people being referred make a purchase. For example, if I've got 100 people in my address book and I refer all of them, I'm not going to get $500. I will only get the rewards once those people actually come in and make a purchase at the business. So it protects the business owner from misuse or whatnot. Stamp cards, pretty basic to understand. Buy 9, get your 10 free. You're able to customize the images here. Just a digital punch card. We've got coupons. We've got scratch and win cards. Really cool engagement tool where your clients can actually scratch a custom image on the home screen and win a prize. Additional coupons here where you can create automated coupons. You can create reports, all that kind of stuff. So those are the different types of rewards programs we've got. We've got a settings area here. Now, if you are the owner of the app, please make sure you know what you're doing before fiddling with too much of this stuff in this area. But your passwords are managed here. Again, depending on the type of business you are, you may see more or less items in here. You've got login settings, configuring your app settings, a membership profile, a call button, the home screen. This is where the home screen of your app is. Again, we're just doing a brief overview here. So if you're not sure what you're doing, please be careful in this area, because if you mess anything up here, it's going to take someone time and energy, and you may be billed for it to correct it, to fix it. Okay. What else do we have here that we can take a quick look at? Home screen routing. Basically, it enables you to route your users to a specific screen in the app whenever they open the app. We've got a search button that works with the shopping cart right now. We've got a custom menu that you can also have in the apps, similar to the home screen. You can manage. We've got manage info. So this is an About Us tab that's located in the settings and terms and conditions. These come with dummy text as well, so you'd probably be wise to come in here and update the text to reflect your brand and your terms and conditions and your About Us. The referral message that comes up in Refer a Friend is managed here. You've got placeholders up here that you can copy and paste from. This should come with a dummy message here as well. You can customize that message to your liking as well. The store locator is where you add your physical bricks and mortar locations. You would hit the Add New button, enter an address, it would automatically pop up the latitude and longitude. This is the range for your employees and customers when they're using the frequency counter. So your employees, if they're within 5 or 10 meters, will be able to clock into work through the scheduler. Again, same deal with your customers. If they're within 5 or 10 meters, you'll be able to see the amount of time they spend in your business as well. Add a location name, phone number, email. Gives you one-touch calling, one-touch email, a description. You can put a header image in there as well. And then you can choose to activate it and also have it displayed in the hamburger menu. Again, looking over here is the receipt validation tab, where the rewards are managed here. So your customers are able to. This is one of the rewards programs we have. Customers are able to submit a receipt by taking a picture of the receipt, and you can basically take a look at what it looks like over here. You can see a copy of the receipt, and then you're able to enter the transaction details, receipt number, and amount spent, and hit submit. You've got a calendar here, which is basically a calendar for your entire app base. I'll go back to your customers in a section. Your customers also have a calendar right there, and then you've got some marketing materials here, where you've got if you've been provided marketing materials like a sign, whatnot, you would have that showing up here. Your QR code for your app would also be displayed here, and if you've got any kind of signed poster, customized posters, or whatever, you would have that showing up here as well. Again, depending on the functionality, we've got a PDF converter as well. If this is something that was required in your app, it would be here as well. So that's a quick overview. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.